Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making lemon blueberry drop scones. I haven't made scones in a while, so I thought it would be a good time to make them. Plus I've never had a lemon blueberry scone, so I thought that sounded like an interesting flavor combination. And we happen to like lemon and blueberries in our house, so I thought it'd be great to try it. So let's get started. The recipe wants us to start off putting all of our dry ingredients in one bowl, and we'll add our wet ingredients to that. So that's flour, sugar, baking powder, lemon peel, salt, and baking soda. I'll give these a quick little stir. Okay, now we'll make a small well. Move all of this. Now we have melted butter, 2 eggs, and some lemon yogurt. Going to fold in our blueberries. Said to fold them in, not to mix them in. We'll just drop it right onto the baking sheet. Okay, these are ready to go to the oven at 400 for 15 to 18 minutes. We'll make us a real simple glaze to go over our scones. So we have powdered sugar, lemon juice, and lemon peel. Well, friends, It's our favorite time of the day where we get to try our lemon blueberry scones, drop scones. So let's try our lemon blueberry drop scones. And it's a beautiful scone. It's not hard, it's soft. You can definitely taste the lemon yogurt. Oh, that is really good. I like this. I think my family will too. Wow, that is flavorful. Wow, that is good. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.